So this thing over here, sorry about the noise, but this thing is massive. This thing is so big, 65 by 60. And you don't know, you can't imagine how heavy this thing is. And I'm saying that in a good way, actually. Super heavy, but in a good way, that means something really good. It is also super thick, and you can see the pattern over here looks fantastic with this kind of like digital carbon fiber something. I don't know what it is, but it looks really good. Let's set it up right here. So this looks really cool. It looks better than the one that I had before, which by the way, it's still down here. It's one of those transparent ones. And I have two things to say. So number one, as soon as you put it out of the box, put some weight in it. I would say like 24 hours would be really good, because this thing is super heavy, but it's also really flexible. So I think that having something that will apply weight all over the surface is gonna be better. Another thing that I wanna tell you is, let's actually take a closer look. What's happening here? Well, it seems that we have a model for today or something. You can see the whole surface over there, how big this one is, 65 by 60. And you can see how nice it looks. But one thing that I will tell you before, kind of like in between this one, comparing the transparent one with this one, which I'm going to take out the transparent, I'm going to remove that one and put in this one instead. And I'm going to put some I'm going to put some double-sided tape over here on the edges to make sure that it has perfect contact. But the thing that I will say about this one is that you will have to clean it more often. So it looks really cool, way cooler than the transparent one, but you will have to clean it more often, because if you are walking here and you have like dirty shoes or something like that, you may notice your footprints or something like that. And like with time, I mean, I don't want to say like every day, but every like 3 days or something like that, you will have to clean. But with that being said, the transparent ones, you will see all the dirtiness that is like underneath the transparent one. So I think that this one will cover that, but you will have to wipe it from time to time. But yeah, this one looks so much better. It has that kind of like digital vibe, so it goes really good with all the black and the whites right here from my setup and everything. And it gives that really nice techie vibe as well. I like it. It's super massive, big and heavy. Just remember, apply some weight and just get ready to probably clean it like every 3 days or something like that with a vacuum or one of those like wet mops. Otherwise, this one, it is really nice and it looks fantastic.